Starting off this Friday morning with lots of sunshine and just a little bit of fog out there this morning. If you look above the Sleepy Puppy here, you can see some of that fog hanging out over the Cumberland River. We'll check some weather bug cameras, but let's take a look first at the Memorial Day weekend forecast. We're going to get right to it. We won't even make you wait for it. Looking pretty good for the majority of the weekend. Tomorrow really looks like the gem of the weekend. No rain chance. We've taken even that slight chance of a shower out of the forecast. Warm temperatures, but the humidity won't be a problem. The humidity will ramp up a little bit along with our scattered thunderstorm chances as we head through Sunday and Monday. Far from a washout, though. Monday just brings the best chance of those scattered storms for the holiday itself. Let's look outside this morning, and some locally dense fog will slow you down on the way out the door. Not a problem here from the Webb School in Bell Buckle. It is a problem here in western Middle Tennessee. The city of Clifton and Wayne County, right along the Tennessee River. It's near the rivers and lakes of Middle Tennessee where you're more likely to run into those reduced visibilities. Looking good over West Nashville right now. You're far enough away from the Cumberland River, from the Harpeth River, that visibilities here aren't a problem from the St. Henry School. And looking good towards downtown Nashville. Of course, the Cumberland River runs right next to downtown, but the fog is not much of an issue right around the heart of Metro Nashville. You might run into some of it, though, as you head a little bit farther away from downtown. Temperatures right now are cool. 47 degrees in Nashville. We bottomed out at 45 degrees last hour. 39 degrees still in Paris. Really unusual for the last day before the Memorial Day weekend. 40 degrees in Cookeville, but a big warm up is going to kick in as we head through the day. We'll warm up from the low to mid 40s now to the low 70s by noon and the upper 70s for highs this afternoon. Lots of sunshine overhead. What little fog we have out there this morning will disappear quickly, and we will see just a few passing clouds during the afternoon. A couple clouds try to float in tonight. They're not going to have an impact on our temperatures. We're still going to cool down into the low 50s by tomorrow morning. Another cool start, just not quite as cool. Partly cloudy skies on the way for Saturday. Again, we're keeping the rain chances out of the forecast for the first day of the three-day weekend. Now, if you're hitting the road, heading down south towards the Gulf Coast, down towards Destin or Gulf Shores, they're going to have a better chance of some scattered thunderstorms. Also, the middle of the country to the west of the Mississippi River, that's where the best rain chances are going to remain as we head through the entire Memorial Day weekend. But some of that moisture is going to creep a little bit closer to us as we head through the day on Sunday, especially near the Tennessee River and along the Alabama state line. But that's our 20% chance of storms. That leaves you an 80% chance of staying dry. So things are looking pretty good for the first 2 days of that three-day weekend. Especially today heading into the weekend. Not a bad idea to stretch it into a 4-day weekend if you can. Upper 70s for highs this afternoon. We'll cool down to the mid 70s this evening. Just ideal weather for any outdoor plans, and really more of the same tomorrow, just a little bit warmer in the afternoon. Warmer, slightly muggier on Sunday with that very slight chance of a storm. The spotty thunderstorm chance does increase on Monday. It's going to be hit and miss stuff, mostly in the midday and afternoon hours. So things are looking pretty good for any morning activities, especially those remembrance ceremonies for Memorial Day. And then any outdoor plans later in the day. Just be flexible. Be ready to adjust in case one of those scattered storms does pay you at least a brief visit. It'll be warm and somewhat muggy in between those scattered storms.
Okay, for the most part, this weekend looking very nice, though. All right.